Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the life. Today we're gonna make some yummy banana cornbread. Okay, putting some olive oil, we butter in the pan, make sure it's nice and smooth. We don't want nothing sticking to the pan. We're gonna put in that cornmeal mix, put in some vanilla essence, 2 brown eggs, and some 1% milk. You don't have to put that in. I didn't have no more almond milk, and she don't really like the flavor of it. I'm gonna also add some nutmeg, but we're about to count and do our numbers. So, okay, let go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go.
She always want to help, but like I said, here go the nutmeg. But yes, we had to do some kind of education lesson. But she always want to help me, so I had to give her treats, and she's been such a good girl this week. We've been still doing potty training, and she loves whipped cream. So here you go, baby girl. She tore it up. Okay, so did I. Oh my goodness, it was hitting. Now she washing her hands, and we about to get ready for bed. But I am about to make me some steamed broccoli. Okay, yes, look at this crown. Got the water boiling. Put a little bit of salt in there, sea salt, of course. And you can use what you like. I put some black pepper, I put some Larry seasoning, I put some butter, and we call it a day. Yes, so I stopped using this makeup because basically that's my dinner, my tea, yes, hunty, herbs, because it has talc, TALC. That is like a leading cancer cause. Black women do not need to use that. And if you have ovarian cancer, ovarian cyst, all that stuff for your reproductive system, throw it in the garbage, la basura. So go check all your makeups. Yes, I checked everything. I had like 40 different powders, concealers, foundation, all kind of crap. I threw that stuff in the garbage because I ain't finna have no ovarian cyst. I ain't finna have no ovarian problems, nothing, okay? Anyway, throw that stuff, SHIT, out, okay? I don't care. I don't care how much money it costs. Your MAC products, everything, anything put on your face. Anyway, let me get out of here. I'll see y'all in my next video, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.